Hi friends, welcome to class. Today we're going to learn something super fun, the days of the week. Are you ready? Let's go. Monday is the start of the week, time to learn and play. Tuesday is terrific. What will we discover today? Wednesday is wonderful. We're halfway through the week. Thursday is thoughtful. Time to read and explore. Friday is fun day. Let's finish the week with a smile. Saturday is super. It's time to relax and play. Sunday is peaceful. Time to rest and get ready for a brand new week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, just for you. Saturday, Sunday, hip hooray! Now we know the days to say. Great job, everyone! You've learned the days of the week. What's your favorite day? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more fun learning with us.